These notes deal with objective 1.8, translating linear functions. When we translate a function, we are either moving it up and down or side to side on the coordinate plane. We're not changing the function's shape. The line stays with the same angle, but we move the line either up and down or side to side. When you're translating a graph, read the instructions. Translate the graph at right 5 units up. This is the important part. So 5 units means we're going to do it 5 times, and up gives us the direction. All we do is we take points that are already on the graph. There's one, and there's one, and we move each of them 5 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each point is moved 5 units up, and we graph our new line. Just like that. If we're going 2 units down, we do the same thing, but we go down this time. Start with the points that are on the graph. There are several here, but I'll just pick these and go 2 units down. Make a new point. Down 2, down 2. And graph your new line. If we're going to do the same thing with an equation, we want to deal with the b. You don't want to touch the slope, and you don't change the x or y. The y-intercept is the only thing that changes. And if we're moving up 6 units, we're going to add 6 to that y-intercept. So plus 6, and our new equation is going to be y equals negative 2/3 x plus 13. It's just like what happened above with the graphs. The y-intercept is a point at 7 on the y-axis, and we moved it up 6 spaces, so now we're at 13 on the y-axis. If we're going down 10, we are subtracting 10 units. Down is subtraction, up is addition. So minus 10, again, just from the b. 16x stays unchanged, but now minus 19. There you go. With the last problem, there are 2 methods to solve this problem. You can either translate it down in the equation first and then graph the new equation, or graph the original equation and then move that line down 3 units. We'll do the first one first. So down 3 means minus 3. Subtract 3 here. Y equals negative 2x plus 3, and then graph that new equation. So go up to 3, go down 2 and over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, and that is your translated line. Your other option is to graph the original equation. So up to 6, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Graph that line. And then move each point down 3 units. And if we do that, we start here, we go down 1, 2, 3. We wind up at the point that we graphed earlier. Down 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You get the same answer. This is your translated line here. You can either do it by graphing the original function and then moving it down, or changing the equation and then graphing the new line. They get you the same answer.